Okay, here it is, a simple $5 sewing machine pedal wired into an extension cord box used to run the old Stripmeister. Plug your drill or anything else that you want to be able to have a momentary switch on in. And then I'm going to do 25 feet of wire here. It's nice to have hands-free, even though since I'm trying to film this I don't really have hands-free. But here we go. There you have it. I am not sure why the company I'm getting the wire from is throwing away 25-foot pieces, but I'm happy to get them.